Logos and icons can be tricky to work with if the colors in the image don't work well with the colors in your document. Luckily, it's really easy to turn a logo or icon white in Lucidchart, which helps your image show up clearly on a darker background. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've turned this document into a template, and you can find the link to that in the video description below. For this first example, do you see how the orange and gray Lucidchart logo doesn't stand out at all against this background color? If I don't have access to a white version of the logo, what can I do? Easy. Just select the logo, click Fill Color, choose Effects, and then boost the brightness to 100. You could also turn the icon black by doing the opposite and dragging the brightness down to -100. Now let's talk about icons. It's easy to find free icons online, and they're a simple, snappy way to show a concept in a diagram without using too many words. But sometimes the icons you find are different colors or have a slightly different style from each other. One thing you can do to make your design look unified is to change the icons to white and then put them on top of a colored shape. To do that, we follow exactly the same steps as we did when we turned our logo white. Select the icon you want to change, go to Fill Color, choose Effects, and then drag the brightness slider to 100. It's important to note that you have to do this one by one for each icon. If you try to change them by selecting them all at once, the editor picks the last icon you selected and turns all of your icons into that one. Avoid that and just change them separately. Another thing to be aware of with both logos and icons is that the image has to have a transparent background. These computer icons look pretty similar, but the one on the right has a white background, not a transparent background. If you try to make the icon white, you won't be able to see the computer anymore, you'll just see a white box. When you're searching for logos, make sure to specify transparent and always look for the gray and white checkerboard behind the icon to show that it's got a transparent background. And there you go! Now you know how to make logos and icons white in Lucidchart. To practice with this template, click the link below. To learn more about design in Lucidchart, check out the other videos in this playlist. If you have any questions or suggestions for new videos, leave them in the comments below. Happy diagramming!